Hello, in this video I'll show you how to use the Image tab in Explaindia 4.0. In a previous video I showed you how to add images to your project, so I'd encourage you to watch this tutorial. So I've got a project open here. It's the same project that we've been using during this course. In this first scene, I've got a bitmap or PNG image of the Explaindia logo. In the Image tab, we have few customization options. You can use these buttons to flip the image horizontally and vertically, like so, though in this image it's quite subtle. The Change Position button opens a canvas and allows you to change the position of the image. Let me close the canvas. You'll notice that these buttons are grayed out because they are specifically designed for SVG images, which I'll show you in a moment. Similarly, these two options pertain to SVG images. The Transparency slider allows you to control the transparency of the image, like so. Now let's go to the third scene, where we have an SVG image. The Image tab looks similar, but you'll notice that these two buttons are now active. The Browse button allows you to replace the image from your computer, and the Gallery button opens the sketch image gallery, and I can then choose another sketch image to replace the current one, like so. The Flip vertical and horizontal buttons work the same way like I showed you earlier. These two options are specific only to specially created SVG images, and it's related to the color fill. The Transparency slider also works in the same way I showed you earlier. Well, that's it for now. I'll see you in the next video.